Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a completed scavenger hunt 2025 hosted by Janet M. Young. And I thought I'd go through it and then tell you each prompt. And the number one prompt was pick a theme. So I picked The Cow Jumps Over the Moon, and I have a moon and a cow, and I got some moon or planets. And then we're going to go through each page, and I'm going to tell you what each page is. So when you open the cover, it says decorated paperclip. I just put that on there just so it's in the book. But I did the scavenger hunt list right here. And this was number 100, cut out circles to expose the following pages. So I cut out circles, and you can see the page underneath. And then on this one is 81, pattern paper. This was number 23, bingo card. 33, use a stencil. 49, flower. So I could have did this as stamp as well, but because this is a stamp, and I took the bingo card and I used the stencils with some bright colors. It's my background. And then we go to 44 stripes, 22 black and white, and Dr. Seuss character. So I did stripes in black and white, and then I colored Dr. Seuss. And then this page is blue and brown page number 82. View out my window. Excuse me. 89, used acrylic paint. So this is acrylic paint. And so I did it in blue and brown, and that's a view from my shaker porch looking out toward my backyard. And then this page is butterfly 21, 9 stickers. So it's just some of my mixed media with stencils again and butterflies. Number 75, pneumatic art. 87, mushrooms. 54, use watercolor, and 65, rubber stamp. So that's my design, and then I used watercolor, and then this is another stamp, and I colored a mushroom. And here is my paper clip. Right here. Oops, don't come off. Ooh, I did take it off. Darn it. Okay, I'm gonna put that back on. There we go. Oh, my flower fell off. Oh well. So that is my decorated paper clip. It's right there. Then this is 24 collage and put a bird on it. So I did some collage. I even put a bird on it, and that's my bird. This is circles, number 71. 19, purple and teal page in your initials. This was ink and paint and splats, number 31. This is things in a jar, things in a glass. This is Scotch Childhood Marbles, and I actually have it as a decor piece in my living room. This is something in the mail, and that's right here. And then this, and then add a pocket, and this is my pocket. Food packaging. So my food packaging is also my pocket. This is button number 34, 40 tag, 55 something circus. So here's my button, here's my tag, and this is my circus. I can't remember the name of it, but I got it at Etsy. It's like steampunk circus. So that's that. Put that right back, and then when we turn it over, this is number 94 emoji. My emoji, book page, blue and pink page, and wanted poster. And I just did me and Scott, a picture of Scott and I, and there's I could also classify this as bubble wrap as well, because that's what's on this side, and also a book page. 26, greeting card, and that's from Scott's aunt and uncle for Christmas. And then over here, it's ephemera. And I thought this was cool, so I saved it because it was this right here, this stuff right here. And I saved it for my ephemera, and I just kind of stapled it in there. And then there's the back side of my food. This is yearbook page. That's number 15. And I didn't have no yearbook. I had a yearbook. I can't find it anywhere. So Sabrina took a picture of her mom's yearbook, and that's Sabrina's mom right there. And I put a little crown over her head. And then when you flip this up, it's also things in a glass. This is, I drew that. It's my Pepsi glass, a Pepsi. And then draw your cup. I don't have a cup. I just grab a cup out of the cupboard. I don't drink coffee, so it's not like I have my personal cup. So I drew this. I took one of these little Dollar Tree little spoons, and I cut it off, and I stuck it in there. And I put Bugs Bunny on there. And then over here is 44 Zetangos. And then number 83 Quilt, 35 something coffee. This is from our local trip. Scott gets a coffee every morning. I asked him to save me a cup. Add a tip in. So that's my tip in. And then it says use string, twine or ribbon. And that's what's right here. And then use tissue paper. There. And of course another stamp image. And this is put a butt on it and use a frame. So I found a frame and I kind of decorated it. I drew the butt, put a Playboy bunny on it. And I also have some cigarette butts on there, in there. That's my tip in also. And then this is 11 candy wrappers. So I saved a bunch of candy wrappers. Got Hershey's, Twix, these Skittle thingamajiggers that Saber bought, and a Reese's peanut butter cup. This is number 29, something from nature. This is a branch from my front yard. So I grabbed it and I put it in a little bag and I taped it all the way around and I put it in my book. So, let's see. 64, Creative Border. 66, Art Nouveau. So there's my border. I got kind of border going there and a border going around there. And I just found this image and I colored it. This is stick figure in black background. So this is my funky stick figure. And I just did black and I actually did a border here as well. This is my, over here, 68 planner page. I just did a couple days a week in January and just kind of put it down. This is one of my favorite pages actually. This is my page, of houses. And these are stamps I have. They're Delusion stamps, and I stamped in each one of them out. I colored them, and then I glued them, and then I kind of cut around them. So that's my pages of houses. Then over here is unused product and something given to you. Was these bamboo Carter socks by Macco Tools. Awesome socks. Saber got them for me for Christmas. I put them in my drawer, and got cold one evening and put them on. I love them, but they are expensive. So that's my unused product and something given to me. This is postage. I have stamps going all the way around. Got some more stickers. Here's some candy wrapper, and then veggie stickers on this side. And then I doodled. Then this says look through a keyhole. So I found this keyhole. I found relatives. That's Scott's grandparents on their wedding day. And then flip it over, include a photo. So then on this side is a photo of me and Scott on our wedding day. And this is my gel print in the background, my ancestry flag. And then jelly print, I just left it plain. And then more veggie stickers. And then a window envelope, and I just took a picture of Scott and I on it. Number 35, fingerprint faces. So I took my thumb and just made some weird looking faces on it. And then this is Momatic page and riddle and joke. So I did pink in different shades. They are different. It's hard to tell in here. And then my joke was, why isn't there a pregnant Barbie? Ken came in another box. So that's Barbie and Ken in a box. I thought it was funny. That's my joke. And this is my doodle and jagged edge. It's my doodling. Oh. And then a jagged edge. It's hard to tell, but it is jagged. If you guys can see, there we go. And this is Pictionary drawing. And I just got some Pictionary little things off Google. And try to do a dish drawing. By the way, if you're wondering what is it, it's getting warm by the fire. Nobody can get it. This is my Snark, number 13 and 53 napkin, and it's all in one. Your boots may be made for walking, but mine are in case I need to kick your ass. So that's my Snark. This is my gratitude page, number 5. 62 colors you hate and 62 at sparkle. I really don't hate any colors. So I use my least 2 favorite colors, and that's orange and brown. And I just found a little poem about gratitude. And then I found these stickers, which had glitter on it. Then this is 92, fancy lettering. And my wild card. So my fancy lettering is my name. And then this is my wild card, which is some of my mixed media. Then the next one is complementary colors, 69, 93 swatches, and pink and orange page. So here are my swatches, and I did them in the complementary colors. And this is the background with my pink and orange. This is a song, and I just printed this off and put some musical interested. Oh, here's another paper clip I added in here. Probably was just laying on my desk. Oh, nope, it actually has a purpose. Okay. This is my fib art. Friend in a box from Sabrina did this. Look how awesome that is. She does such a good job on doodling. And an artist trading card. And that's the artist trading card. This is number 9, stickers. So I did some Lisa Frank stickers. And just did like a little page of them. Of the aliens in their peace car and planets. Number 9, mosaic page in quotes. So it's my mosaic, and I did a John Wayne quote. And then botanical. I colored this and then added her like she's walking down the path. Number 79, create your logo and create a border. So I did a border, and my logo is, I like you more than crafting, and that says a lot. Or that's a lot. Tina's Messy Crafty Life. Then this is drawing of my day, number 37, and I did it kind of like a cartoon form. And then all about me, 91. I just kind of did a little everything about me. 45, my granddaughter drew me a hybrid animal, so Allie drew that and I colored it. It's a bat seal on a rock in an ocean. I think she did an awesome job. And then number 50 was National Blank Day. So I did National Motor Davidson Cycle Day. And that's that page. And then that's the back. And here is my tassel. Black. Cow printed in black and white and polka dots. And that is my scavenger book for 2025. All 100 prompts are done throughout the book. Plus more, because some pages have things that are already throughout the book that needed. So I want to thank Janet again for having this. I enjoy this to start off my year, every year doing this. Actually, I usually have it finished by now, but I actually took my time this year. Now it'll just go on the shelf with the last 3 years, I think I did. I think this is my 4th year. I could be wrong. But I want to thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny. Bye for now.